How's our little bird? Hi, Freedom. Hi, pretty bird. Hi, Freedom. How's our little baby bird? Hi, Freedom. Hi, Freedom. What you doing? Who's a pretty bird? Hi, pretty bird. Hi, Freedom. Freedom, do you want to say your name? You just did it a minute ago. Hi, Freedom. How's our little bird? Hi, pretty boy. Hi, Freedom. Hi, Freedom. How are you? Hi, pretty bird. Freedom, you can do it. Hi, Freedom. All right, guys, I'm talking to Freedom. You have to talk to him in a really high voice to get him to say his name. I was around the corner. All right, I'll walk away a little bit. Okay, Freedom. He's like, yeah, walk away. Freedom, how's our baby bird? Hi, Freedom. Hi, Freedom. How are you? Are you pretty bird? Hi, Freedom. Freedom, are you hanging out in the living room? Hi. Good boy. Who's doing cluck cluck? Who's doing cluck cluck? You can do it. Freedom, are you gonna do your cluck cluck? You can do it. Who's a good boy? Hi, Freedom. Hi, pretty bird. Freedom, what you doing? Freedom, are you a pretty boy? Who's a pretty parrot? Who's a good boy? You got your parrot pillow right behind you. That's from Diane. Up in New Hampshire. She's probably freezing. She's probably under 5 feet of snow. Is she under a lot of snow? Do you think so? Hey, Freedom. Who's a pretty boy? Freedom, you're not going to say hi? He just said his name 5 seconds ago, but under pressure. Right, Freedom? Say, oh my God, we're always doing... Oh, someone's calling. Got to sign off live.